Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as requested by you, today we are doing Jerusalema, but we are taking you through the line dance. Okay, it's a video gone viral, Jerusalema. So today I'm giving you tutorial for the line dance. Are we ready to start? So today we are not doing with music because I really want you to really master this dance. So let's put music aside and let's go to the basic footwork. Are we ready? So this is how we start Jerusalema dance. You start with your left leg forward. Okay, so some people choose to tap on their toes, some people choose to tap on their heels, and some people just prefer to just shake your waist. Whatever works for you, let's do this. Okay, so starting with your left leg, we are tapping for 4. Just keep the count in mind. Okay, have the count in mind and you'll have mastered the dance. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're using your heels, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're just using your hips, 1, 2, 3, 4. So have the count, that is 4. We switch leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's 4, 4. We do again from the left. We start from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for now, when you're starting, your hands can be anywhere because what you're focusing on is your footwork. So for today, let's focus on your footwork. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those two are the first. Then now from there we go for the shuffle. Remember we finished to the right leg forward. So we start our shuffle with your right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. We finish with our right foot forward. Okay, shall we do that again? We finished our first 2 moves with our left leg forward. So that's where we are starting from. Right leg forward. Right leg forward. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we combine the two? So when we are starting, we start with your left leg forward. We finish with your right leg forward. Then we start shuffle with your right leg forward. Finish with your right leg forward. Let's start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we okay up to there? One more time for you. We start from the top with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We finish our shuffle with right leg forward. Now the next move, we start with your right leg back. So some people choose to kick and move. You kick and move. Some prefer to pop. Okay, so whatever works for you, but let me make it so easy for you. So from here, we finished here. This leg comes back. Okay, your left goes forward. It's normally a quick move. We start again from here. This leg goes back. This one goes forward. But now you do it slightly faster. So here, you see, we finished here, back, forward. Last time, we finished with your right leg forward, then pop. Once now we do this, we start our count on the right leg to the side. Remember now we are facing this side. Okay, so we start, from here, okay? Pop. We start our count from the right. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Okay? We start again from here. So we finished here. Pop. Then 1, 2, 3, and tap. Facing that side. After tapping, we start again with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, tap. We start again with our right leg back. 1, 2, 3, tap. So at this point, realize we've done an L shape. Went forward, went back, and reversed to this point. So that's an L shape. All you need to remember for now. So once in this position, we start again from the top, the 4 taps. So from here, let's do all of them from the top. We started from our left leg forward, tapping for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. The move, up and count 3. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now we are moving back. 1, 2, 3, tap. I hope we are okay up to that point. Now we start again the whole move, the whole block from the top. It's a line dance. We start again from the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Realize now we are facing the other side. Okay, now we move back. 1, 2, 3, and tap. We've made another L shape from that point. Okay, from here we start again the whole move from the top. 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back. 1, 2, 3, and tap. From here we start again from the top. 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We move forward. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back. 1, 2, 3, and tap. We are back to where we started from. Okay? Not so hard. Just remember the count and you're easy to go. Okay? So let me go over again from the top all round. Okay? Let's go together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. We start again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And tap. And tap. And tap. Not so hard. Just remember the count. Okay? So from the split, some people normally like exaggerating it. So from here, 3, Okay, so from here, 1, 1, 2, 3, tap. So some people normally like the bend part from here. 1, okay, and you move forward. So from here, 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. So you can do the bend, okay, or you can just move sideways. Okay, so whatever works for you. We are here to have fun. We are here to enjoy yourselves. Okay, so remember, even on the shuffle, we have some people who prefer not the jump. We have people who can jump 1, 2, 3, 4. If that works for you, fine. So some people prefer 1, 2, 3, 4. If that works for you, fine. It's still a shuffle. Okay, so I hope you've mastered something. I hope at least we'll see you dancing to these moves. Remember, you can tag me along so that I see how fast you've learned, and let's do this together.